Welcome to Analyst Sultan. In today's tutorial, we are tracking a critical piece of your digital marketing strategy, tracking HubSpot from submission in Google Analytics 4 with Google Tag Manager. If you are a marketer or business owner looking to optimize your lead tracking, this setup is essential. Whether you are running campaign or optimizing conversion funnel from taking allow you to capture every valuable leads interactions. Today I will show you how to seamlessly integrate HubSpot from with the GA4. You can see exactly which campaign page and channels drive the highest engagement. This is my demo website. I want to tag HubSpot from. This is my HubSpot from. So I want to tag this from. So firstly, go to your Google Tag Manager web container. This is my Google Tag Manager web container. Firstly, need to set up Google Tag for from submission tagging. So click here, then select this, then need a tag ID. So go back to your Google Analytics 4, then copy this measurement code, then go back to your Google Tag Manager web container, then paste here. I need this code many times, so I will create a constant variable for this code. So click here, again click plus sign, then find out constant, then paste this code, then give a name for this, then click save. Our constant variable create done, then triggering all pages, then click save. Give a name for this tag, then click save. Then I need to set up a listener code for HubSpot from tagging. So copy this code, then go back to your web container, then click again new, then find out custom HTML. So paste this code, then again click triggerings, select all pages, then give a name for this tag, then click save. Then click on preview button, then paste your from URL. So copy this URL, then paste here, then click connect. Then fill up this form. Then click submit. Thank you for submitting the form. Go to your tech assistant, then you will see that HubSpot from successfully, event name from success, then click here. You will see everything is here. Now I need to create a variable for from ID. So go back to your Google Tag Manager web container, then click on new. Then again click new, then find out Google Analytics 4, then select GA4 event, then paste your GA4 ID. I already created GA4 ID constant variable. So give a event name. So copy this part, the event name, then paste here, then click event parameter. Then I need to create a event for ID. So go back to my Google Sheet, then copy this part, then paste here, then create a variables for this, then find out data layer variable. So copy, go back again and copy this part, then paste here, then give a variable's name. So copy this part and go back to your Google Tag Manager web container, then click save. Our variable create done. Then I need to create a trigger. So copy this plus sign, then find out custom event, then go back to your Google Tag Assistant, then copy this event name, then paste here, then give a variable name, then click save. Then give a tag name, then click save. Now I need to click preview button for checking our setup is perfectly okay or not okay. Then go back to your from, then submit this from, then click submit. You will see HubSpot from taking tag, HubSpot from code already fired. So our setup is perfectly okay. If you click on Google Analytics 4, you will see that our HubSpot from successful event is here. So our setup is perfectly okay. And that's a warp. You have now set up HubSpot from tagging for GA4 using Google Tag Manager, adding a individual layer to your analytics. Imagine what you can do now. Identify which from convert the best, understand user behavior, and optimize your marketing like never before. If you are serious about scaling your data-driven marketing, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notification. Got question? Drop a comment below or connect with me on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, or Facebook. Link in the description. I had love to help you get the most out of GA4 and GTM if your marketing goals. Thanks for watching Analyst Sultan. Keep mastering your analytics and I will see you in the next video.